Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to start making money from your YouTube Shorts. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. So if you want to start making money from YouTube Shorts, the easiest way is to turn on YouTube Shorts ads on your YouTube channel. And here's how to turn on these short feed ads on your YouTube Studio. First, open up YouTube Studio. So go to studio.youtube.com, sign in into your YouTube channel account. Then on the left, click on the Earn tab here under the Copyright tab. And here you're going to see the different monetization methods you can use. And if you want to turn on the short feed ads on your YouTube channel, click on the tab here, short feed ads. And as you can see, here's where you're gonna be able to click on turn on YouTube short feed ads. And this way you're gonna be able to earn revenue from ads that run in between videos in the shorts feed. And you can also earn revenue when a YouTube premium subscriber watches your content in the short feeds. So if you want to turn on short feed ads, just click on turn on, review and accept the short feed terms by clicking on the checkbox here, then click on accept. And now as you can see, once short feed ads will become available, you're gonna be able to make money from YouTube Shorts ads. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel.